How to fix disable Instagram ad account. If any day you are an Instagram user and you face like this problem in Instagram and you are quite frustrated and do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, and in the search section of your mobile device, you have to search disable Instagram account and tap like this. After you tap on disable Instagram account and search it, now you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you have to just scroll down. After you scroll down, now you can see the various option like this. Now you have to tap on the first option, that is disabled Instagram account, and tap on that. After that, you can see an interface like this, and you can see an article as well. Now you have to go to the option of yes there, and after that you can also submit how could it be better. This is an optional option, however you can write it and submit it. After this, now you can go to the option of login issue and tap on the login issue. After you tap on the login issue, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on any of the problem that you'll be facing, that may be your Instagram password recording, it may be you forgot your Instagram username, or if one login for the multiple Instagram accounts. You have to search all of these. Now you can just go down disable Instagram account and just go down out there, and then you can just see this, and this way your problem may be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.